So today is the 30th of September and we're in Gandia. There's a festival here today and there's lots of stalls, as you can see in front of me. All kinds of things, food, artisan type stuff, jewellery, you name it, it's here. And they got the whole town sort of decked out with decorations, etc. And also they've got live music today. I think it goes on until Monday. Not 100% sure about that. But by the time this video comes out, which will be Wednesday, it will be finished by then. But it started on the Friday, 29th. But it's 11 o'clock in the morning on the Saturday. And it's quite a few people here already. Quite a lot of people here already, which is pretty good. And they've got it very nicely decked out. As you can see, all the banners and the flags all flying, which is quite nice. And as I say, there's quite an assortment of these little stalls that have been put up. So they've got all the sort of side streets where all the stalls are, but they've also got it up through the centre as well. But the first street that I've hit is one of the side streets. But lots and lots going on. Temperature today is 28 degrees, which is pretty good. 1st of October tomorrow. All the food looks absolutely lovely. This is the entrance to the Borja house, and I'm not quite sure how much it costs to get in, but this is the entrance to it. So I'll come into the courtyard and show you. I won't go into the house today, but I must do it at some stage because I've been asked about it before. But this is it. Fantastic. 2 of the Borja popes lived here. That's the entrance of the steps going up. And there's someone over there in the doorway taking money, which we won't be giving because I don't want to go inside today. But it's a lovely old big house, massive house. So as we go round Gandia, as you can see, there's all the bunting is already up everywhere. This is obviously a Saturday, so the shops are fairly busy anyway. Gandia town is sometimes it's quite quiet when you come here, and other times, you know, it's really, really busy. Won't be doing any droning today, any flying of the drone, I don't think, somehow. Did bring it with me, but not going to bother today, I think. Beautiful town to come and visit. Love it here. I've said that many times in the past. If you like sausages, then this is the place you could come. Plenty of sausages here. There's a lot of people cooking food here today, as well as selling it. They got some nice fresh sausages here, and they got ribs. I've got a good selection of everything. So we're going up one of the side streets now, and they've got some fantastic stalls along here. Lots and lots of food. Lots of nuts in this one. Walnuts and peanuts, cashews, you name it. And dried fruit as well. Lovely. Lots of sweets. I love their sweets over here. Absolutely love them. You've got jewellery over the other side. So there's a real mixture of stuff. It's fantastic. It's a good. This is a good event. This one. I've not been before. Been to Gandia lots of times, of course, but not to this event. So I should be putting it in my diary for next year. Well worth coming to.
Después de comer, vamos a tener, ¿vale?